Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking down one niche and confirming buyers exist. This saves wasted effort later. Once chosen, join 2-3 affiliate networks and grab tracking links and approved creatives. While you wait for approvals, make a Facebook page and set up Business Manager so you control pixels, add accounts, and permissions. Make sure to add a payment method and verify identity. These steps let you retarget visitors and run campaigns without pauses, so begin executing now. Now you build and test your funnel. You post helpful organic content that solves a problem, then drive engaged users to a lead magnet or landing page so you capture emails before sending affiliate offers. Once done, install the Facebook pixel to create custom audiences and 1%, 2% lookalikes for scaling. Make sure to run a /B tests across short videos, carousels, and single images while varying headlines and CTAs. This combination shows you what converts and why, so reinvest in winners. You finish by scaling winners and keeping compliance front and center. Increase budgets gradually, about 20% each week, and track ROAS and CPA so performance stays profitable. Make sure to disclose affiliate relationships and avoid exaggerated claims that trigger Facebook policy enforcement. Compliant landing pages reduce risk. If conversions drop, troubleshoot methodically. Confirm the pixel fires, ensure the traffic matches the offer. Test page load speed and mobile UX, and swap creatives. These checks
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.